If you've waited years for your chance to reunite with family or finally build your life in the US, this message is for you. A quiet but strict policy shift at US embassies is now making or breaking immigrant visa interviews, and it's already cost thousands of applicants their long-awaited shot at approval. But with the right preparation, you can avoid delays and protect your future. Here's exactly what you need to know. The new rule that's already costing applicants their spot. Since July 2025, US embassies worldwide have implemented a critical policy change. If you attend your immigrant visa interview without original required documents, your appointment is immediately canceled, not rescheduled, but canceled entirely. This is not a proposed change or a possible update. It's already happening. Applicants across embassies, particularly in Manila and other high-demand posts, are reporting missed opportunities and delays of 4 to 6 months just because of one missing paper. For many families, this isn't just frustrating, it's devastating. Whether it's a child close to aging out of their petition or a sponsor with medical concerns, missing your window can mean missing your chance. Why is the embassy enforcing this so strictly? US consulates have explained that incomplete interviews lead to bottlenecks that slow down the processing of all other cases. To reduce backlogs and maintain a smoother, more efficient system, the embassy now screens documents before you even reach a consular officer. If anything is missing, your case is removed from the day's schedule, and you must rebook your interview entirely. This pre-screening process is now standard across many consulates. You'll only proceed to the actual interview if all documents are verified and in order at the initial check-in. These are the documents you must bring, no exceptions. Understanding what's expected is half the battle. Here's a breakdown of what must be in your hands, in original form. When you walk into your interview. 1. Valid passport. Your passport must be valid for at least 60 days beyond your intended travel date to the US. This simple detail has caught many people off guard. Renew it early if needed. 2. Civil documents. These include your birth certificate, marriage certificate if applicable, divorce or annulment documents if previously married, certificate of no marriage (CNMR) if required. Photocopies or scanned versions will not be accepted. Originals only. 3. Police clearances. Especially for applicants from countries like the Philippines, the embassy now requires an original NBI clearance, not a copy, not a screenshot. If you've ever used other names, nicknames, or spelling variants, clearances for each alias are required. If you've lived outside your home country for more than 12 months, police certificates from those countries are also required. This especially impacts OFWs and expats with overseas work history. 4. Affidavit of support and financial proof. Form I-864 or the Affidavit of Support must be submitted with supporting tax documents from your petitioner or any joint sponsor. These prove that you'll be financially supported upon arrival. 5. DS-260 confirmation page. This online application is a basic requirement. You must bring the confirmation page as proof that it's been submitted. 6. Interview appointment letter. This is the official notice that allows you entry into the embassy. Without it, your interview will not proceed. 7. Medical exam results. Before your interview, you must complete your medical exam at an embassy-authorized clinic. For example, in Manila, this is St. Luke's Medical Center Extension Clinic. Your results must be transmitted to the embassy before your appointment or you risk a delay. Don't overlook this. Special situations require extra proof. If you're being petitioned by a child or sibling, you must show their original birth certificate to prove the relationship. If your legal name has changed, or if you use alternate names, you'll need matching records and additional clearances. Inconsistent documents raise red flags and lead to delays. Why timing is everything. Embassy rescheduling is not fast. Some applicants who've missed appointments are being rebooked 5 to 7 months later. This is especially critical for children nearing age 21, where age-out protections could expire, elderly petitioners, or those with serious illness, families waiting to reunite before the school year, or key life events. What you can do now: review your embassy checklist in detail. Double-check expiration dates and ensure you have originals. Coordinate with your petitioner to send the most recent financials and signed I-864. Consult with an immigration advisor or lawyer if you're unsure what's required. Some agencies even offer document check services for peace of mind. For high-risk cases, this may be well worth the investment. A final word of advice. Missing paperwork is now a deal breaker, not a delay. This policy is not about punishing applicants, it's about making the system more efficient. But without preparation, you could lose months or even your chance at a visa. Whether you're adjusting status through a family petition, employment-based path, or any other route, being fully prepared is non-negotiable in this new landscape. Stay tuned for more updates on this evolving policy and other key immigration news. Subscribe to the TriPoint Report for real-time alerts, strategy tips, and visa bulletins that help you navigate this process smartly. Thank you for watching.